Hey there folks, Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this video here, you're clicking on it because you want to learn just basically the kind of results I get when I'm trading Forex. So what I want to show you is how this year I've turned 5k so far into just a profit from a 5k deposit, and I've already made nearly 15,000 on that deposit. I started trading this year just around after February, after my birthday. And I'll just show you here again, custom period. We will go, we open the account, put in 5k, 13th of February to 22nd April 2018. We are on a live account. And there we go, 14,500. We deposited 5,000 and we withdrew a lot of the profits, 15,176. Okay, so you can see that I do make money trading. It's in black and white. We have my live account. We have my names there. So when you do sign up to the coaching program, this is the kind of results. If you follow my teachings and follow exactly how I trade and how I teach how to trade, these are the kind of results you can actually expect to receive over the next 3 to 6 months, turning yourself into a consistently successful trader. So there you can see $5,000 into 15,000 and still going strong. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see last year's trading portfolio, there will be a link below in the description area, or not the description area of the video. There will be a link in this page somewhere, and just get back if you want to sign up for the coaching. Just click the link below and head back over to the coaching page. So I just wanted to show you that, guys. A lot of people out there don't actually show their actual trading results. They just want to teach and things like that. There, I practice what I teach. I show you what I do and how I trade, and this is exactly what you will learn in the coaching program over the coming months. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.